Hi, I'm Dr. John Puma. You might know me from ChefMD's culinary medicine, but what you might not know is that nature can be your medicine too. This is a Makrut lime. You might know it by its slang name. It's called a kaffir lime. This is used in Polynesian cooking, in Indonesian cooking, in Filipino cooking. It's a famous ingredient in tom kha gai, a coconut soup that has the zest or the leaf julienne inside of it. And like the yuzu, it has a bilobe leaf, 1, 2, very unusual for citrus. The fruit can be used, actually it is used as a hair wash by Filipino women, but we like to eat it. It's rare because usually it's only the leaves that are used in cooking. When you take care of a tree like this, you're reminded by its amazing floral scent. Just scratching the surface of the whole lime, the Makrut lime, transports you to Polynesia even if you've never been there. You can use the zest like you would use the regular zest, or lime juice like you would use a regular lime juice. It's more floral and bigger. But the real prize in this tree is the way that it takes care of itself and the way that it teaches you to take care of it. Because its leaf is beautiful and dark and green and full, but there are also leaves that are just a little crinkly and yellow and have what's called leaf miner on back, which it's something that attacks the tree. And if you look a little further, there are ants on the tree, like that. All I have to do is touch it and the ant comes off. I don't need to spray to get rid of these ants. I just can blow and they're gone. You can do that for the whole tree and spray it with water and the ants go. You don't need synthetic artificial chemicals to take care of a beautiful tree like this. It will tell you what it needs. And the ants are just farming aphids. They're just trying to get rid of or develop really aphids so that they can take care of them. And they don't really hurt the tree if the tree is treated well, is in beautiful organic soil, and gets the proper sunlight and water. This tree is telling you that it's strong enough to fight off infection and fight off little animalitos that are not things that will kill it or kill you, and still will give you beautiful leaves and beautiful fruit. This is a Makrut lime, and your green RX is to try a fruit you've never had.